What's going on, Break Squad? I'm back with another video, and today I'm starting off at the car wash again. So you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna go ahead and get the car dry. And I don't got a cameraman today, so I'm dolo. But today's video, we're gonna be installing a pedal box on a Hellcat. We're gonna get reactions of how good a pedal box work on a Hellcat. So I'm gonna go ahead and dry the car off, and I'm gonna get back with y'all when we get to installing the pedal box. All right, y'all. So I got it all dry and looking beautiful. So I got my pedal box right here. I'm gonna go ahead and install it. So to install it, I think you gotta take the plug off of the, let me go ahead and pull this panel down. You gotta pull this panel down right here and unconnect the throttle cable right here. Okay, so we unconnected the throttle wire right here. So we connect in this side to the throttle wire and this side to the pedal. All right, y'all, I got it where I want it. So we can go ahead and give it the first startup with the pedal commander. So it's lighting up. It's in sport +1. I'm just leave it on sport +1 and see what it check. Oh, my door is still open. The car just put itself back in park. So I'm gonna see. Oh my God, I noticed the difference already. The difference is crazy, I ain't gonna lie. Like, y'all might think I'm playing, but like, the difference is crazy. So let me go this way actually. Oh, I'm finna ball up trying to test the pedal commander. I had to turn the sensitivity down, what you call it? The sensibility down a little bit, because it's just too crazy. So the sensibility is at +1, and you see, like, I'm barely tapping it. It got the pedal going crazy. We slow down this railroad. Let me go ahead and put it in track for y'all. Y'all hear that whine? Oh my God. Let me go ahead. So I'm gonna turn the sensibility up until 3. It feel like it make the transmission shift differently too. Nick told me it was gonna blow my transmission. I don't know. I think he just talking. Nick be just saying anything sometimes, y'all. Y'all don't believe what Nick just be saying. I just hit 3,000 subscribers, y'all. I appreciate every single one of y'all. We only going up from here. Y'all gonna see a lot more from me. I've been more consistent. Recently, I've been trying to post a video like every other couple days. I know before I was doing bad with it. Like, I was posting like every other month. But y'all gonna see a lot more of me. Y'all gonna get a lot of more content. Y'all gonna get the collabs y'all wanna see. Let me know who y'all want me to collab with. Let me know what videos y'all wanna see, because I'm definitely gonna get y'all that content. And we got everybody driving slow. It's 5 o'clock. Like, I just cannot get through traffic whatsoever. And also, let me know what mods y'all wanna see. Alright, y'all, so we getting the gas in there. You know we gotta go with premium because we in hell kizzy. But gas ain't that bad today. I went and got gas the other day. It was like $5.08, almost $6. $6 a gallon is crazy. I can't do it. But I'm gonna let y'all know how much it took to fill up the Hellcat. Alright, y'all, click. It took $66 to fill up the Hellcat. That's exactly why I'm broke right now. But much, you know what I'm saying? We gonna see what it do the first time we start it back up again. I wonder, do it always start up in Sports Plus? Oh, it started off where I left it off, so that's good. But we go, oh my God, it just like, the sensitivity is so crazy on the pedal. It really makes a difference. We're gonna go ahead and get a drive in for y'all. We're gonna drive through a rich neighborhood with a pedal commander. Or should I get on the freeway? I don't know. I'm about to probably go through the rich neighborhood. Oh, that's a good video idea. Should I go drive through the richest neighborhood in Michigan? I think Nick already did that, but I'm not sure though. I actually don't like how sensitive the pedal is. I prefer it to be back how it was, so maybe I turn the sensitivity down. But I don't see the point of getting a pedal commander, y'all. I'm not sponsored by them at all, so my opinion is very honest. I don't see the point of this. I still haven't floored it yet, but it's probably gonna be the same. I wouldn't get a pedal commander. Okay. All right, y'all. We're gonna give it the first pull off the pedal commander and see how we feel about it. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, it's the same, y'all. Don't do it. Only thing is just accelerate. It's just accelerate faster. But as far as how I feel, it still feel the same. Pedal commander is not worth it at all. Probably if you got a 5.7 or something like that. That's probably why people do it, because they wanna get a faster reaction out of their 5.7s, or I wouldn't even say 6.4. Like I wouldn't want to do it on a 6.4 either, because it's really not worth it.
A few moments later.
What's going on, YouTube? We got a Brick Got Keys today, and today gonna be kind of a day in the life vlog actually. So we got the Slack Cat, we got Ron. This the ZL1 SS Camaro, and then we got Mrs. Brick here. We don't disclose her name, y'all, but yeah. So today we're gonna be going to Cedar Point. We're currently an hour and 45 minutes away. We're in traffic right now, so I'm gonna try to get me and Ron cutting up on the way there, and then when we get there, we're gonna get some content, because this is Halloween weekends, Cedar Point. Yes.
Yes. No. See, I ain't the only Chevy. We got other Chevys.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. We gotta get through traffic. Yes. All right, y'all. We are currently 38 minutes away from Cedar Point. I keep on wanting to say Frankville, but I don't know why I keep on wanting to say that. Yeah, we're currently 39 minutes away from it. We decided to take the no tolls way, so they got us in the country twisty Charlie way. Alright, we finally back on the freeway. We got 27 minutes. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get some clips of Ron doing pulls. I'm in regular mode. I ain't even gotta go to track to keep up with that Chevy. I done ran into a fucking Corvette swap Jeep. I'm about to see what the fuck. Oh my God! They got a Corvette swap Jeep and it's turbocharged. That's crazy. Alright, y'all, we done made it here. We got CMB Ron. This nigga car He was talking so much shit at the beginning of the video, and my shit had shit hanging. Nah, his shit got shit hanging. But now it's now this nigga. He claimed his fuck Mopar, and he was just mulling them bitches up. How are you?
Walk right all the way over there.
But we about to get on our first ride. What's this ride called?
I don't know. I just call it a pirate ship.
We about to get on a goddamn pirate ship. And if y'all know, y'all know. My car is kissing black shit. Alright, y'all, they said we real street niggas, so they sent us to the one, number 8, the one nearest to the back. And they put me at the end because I'm a real street nigga. Alright, y'all, the ride was actually called the Ocean Motion. I just got off there and rode it like a real street nigga. She was sitting here crying the whole time.
Scared.
No, it was not. But what is you talking
Please
about?
stop it. It's hurting my stomach.
I did not say that.
You did. It's
I'm a
okay.
real street nigga.
I love your ability tonight.
Get off of me. She was crying. She was like, please, make it stop.
I said,
Make it stop. She was like, please, make it stop. I just was riding like a real street nigga. I was a real street nigga? I was a real street nigga?
Yeah. That bitch was on my stomach.
Man, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't getting shit else. That shit made my stomach hurt the whole time. I don't know what I'm gonna get on next, y'all. They got all type of food and stuff over here. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Real street niggas don't like roller coasters. I'm on here scared as hell. I don't want to look down. I don't want to look over. I don't want to look nowhere. I'm scared as hell. This not even a roller coaster. She talking about I won't let go. No, I don't like this shit. Oh my god!
Why would you do that?
I'm not doing shit.
Screaming. You scared the shit out of me.
Fuck you.
What
I'm
you
the one
gonna do when they
scared.
start scaring us at night?
I'm not saying tonight.
Knocking the guy out.
Man, I'm gonna put my block out. I hope they don't spin me around. I'm done.
This shit got a hard landing, so be ready.
It do?
Yes.
Oh, it's not that bad. Real street nigga. Real street nigga. That wasn't shit to me. I was in that bitch chilling the whole time. Look, y'all, they got the Hellcat scooters lined up. They back-to-back Hellcat scooters. All right, y'all.
What's wrong with that bitch?
So it's
What's wrong with these
nighttime.
bitches?
So it's nighttime, and we are at Cedar Point, and it's Halloween-weekends. It's Halloween-weekends, and they're trying to scare us.
I don't know if we'll be over here. So what do you want to
They're
do?
trying to
Yes,
scare
it
us,
is.
but I'm not really scared. I'm just trying to go
Not either,
home.
because I can't even see. So
I just want to go home. But I'm
can't
sorry for
scare
not
me.
getting y'all content. It's hard to get content here because you can't really have your phone out on the roads. I swear. Hey, what's the best ride you've been on so far?
That one we just got off of?
I hate rides. This video probably gonna be too damn dirty.
turn your flashlight on.
We got the clowns and shit trying to scare us. They walking around trying to scare people. They can't scare a real street nigga. He ugly as hell. But this probably gonna be close to the end of the video.
What up, y'all?
We got the. But we trying to get all the motherfucking the clowns to say, oh yeah. You say, oh yeah? Where the fuck Felix go? Right there. Where? Right there. She's walking fast as hell for no reason. Look at this zombie go. Why I call them zombies? What are they? I don't know. What the fuck? Oh my god. the fuck?
A few moments later.